In this video, I will guide you on how to fix something went wrong error in the Canva app. The first thing you want to do is launch open settings on your device. From here, find the option of apps. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. Scroll down and find Canva and select that. The first thing you want to do here is tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK. Next, tap on the storage option. Here, tap on Clear Cache. You can also tap on Clear Data, but you will have to log into your account again if you do that. Now, head back, launch open the Canva app and check if the issue has been fixed. If not, then you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, open Play Store or App Store and search for Canva. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs within the app. Now tap on Open and check if the issue has been resolved. If it is not, then you want to reinstall the application. For that, long press on Canva, tap on Uninstall, then tap on Uninstall again. Once this application has been uninstalled, open Play Store or App Store and install this application again. This should fix the something went wrong error in the Canva app. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.